welding area. Now let's take a look. This area is specially used for long and straight welds. Look, the worker is cleaning up the welding slag. Let's check. The welding seam is so good. Come closer. The welding seam is very smooth and has strong permeability because the robot always repeats the action accurately according to the preset welding parameters and movement trajectory. The use of welding robots has greatly improved our efficiency. No matter how big the quantity you need, we can deliver on time.